In this video, we will show you how to fix an Apple iPhone that keeps lagging. Lags and other performance issues are often not serious. In fact, you might fix them by doing a few easy procedures. But before moving on, please like and share our videos so we can help other users as well. Now going back to our topic, here's what you should do. First solution, close the background apps. The first thing you have to do is to close the apps that are still running in the background. It's because there can already be a lot of them that use your iPhone's RAM and CPU. To do that, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop in the middle. Now swipe up on each app preview to close them one after another. After doing that, try to see if your iPhone is now running smoothly. Second solution, force restart your iPhone. The next thing you need to do if the problem continues is the forced restart. Doing so will refresh your phone's memory and reload all services. All you have to do is quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the power key for 8 seconds. It will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. When the Apple logo shows, release the power key and allow your iPhone to continue the boot process. After that, try to use it and see if the lags are gone. Third solution, reset all settings. After doing the basic troubleshooting procedures and your iPhone is still lagging, then what you need to do next is to reset its settings without deleting any of your data. There can be just some settings in your iPhone that's messing with its performance. So to do that, launch Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset at the bottom of the screen and select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen and tap the same option to confirm. After the settings reset is finished, your iPhone will reboot. In most cases, these procedures are often enough to fix any performance problem. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you one way or the other. You may subscribe to our channel or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.